Hello students, in this video I'm going to tell you a very unique method of balancing of chemical reactions, and in this method we are going to use a mathematical approach. And in this method we are not going to use the hit and trial method in which we usually put the values, but whenever some questions come in our examinations we stuck sometimes that what side of values should we put like and all. So this is a very basic approach, and if you know even a basic knowledge of, if you have any even a basic knowledge of your chemical mathematics, then definitely you will be able to crack it. So let's start. So to solve the chemical reactions, like balance the chemical reaction with this method, you just have to assume the coefficients of products as well as the coefficient of reactants. So here I have assumed coefficient of NH3 is A, coefficient of O2 is B, coefficient of NO is C, and coefficient H2 is D. So we have to equate the molecules of each element from the product side as well as from the reactant side. So here is for nitrogen equal to, here is nitrogen A times and here is nitrogen C times, so A is equal to C. And for hydrogen, here is nitrogen 3A is equal to 2D, and for oxygen, here is oxygen 2B is equal to here is oxygen 2D AC plus D. So after equating the molecules from both sides, we just have to see one more thing, that the variable which has come most of the times in the equations, we have to assume, or I can say we have to put the values of that variable equal to 1. So here you can see that A equal to C, A is also in this equation. In this equation 2 A is present, and but in this not. So here is 2 times. So I can put the value of A equal to 1, and after putting A equal to 1 we got C equal to 1, and after putting A equal to 1 in this equations we got D equal to 3 by 2, and after putting in this equations, so we got B equal to 1 by 4, and we finally got the equations as NH3 plus 5 by 4 O2 gives NO plus 3 by 2 H2O. But we don't want to see any equations in the fractions. We usually want to see any number in the whole number. So to make it whole number, to make the coefficient of each reactants and products in whole number, we just have to multiply by 4 factor, or I can say you can multiply by only, but we just have to multiply a factor so that it can becomes a lower number. So like we multiply it by 4. So after multiplying 4, it became 4 NH3 plus 5 O2 plus 4 NO plus 6 H2O. So I hope it will be very helpful for you, and definitely you will be able to solve each and every types of problems of balancing of redox reactions. Thank you very much.